Make homemade coconut oil lip balm in winter. Ingredients for making coconut oil and petroleum jelly lip balm: 1/2 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon aloe petroleum jelly. How to make: you first have to heat petroleum jelly in a pan. Keep in mind that the flame is light. Now add coconut oil to it. Mix both things well. Now leave it for cooling, then put it in an airtight container. You should use this lip balm before going to sleep in the morning and at night. Coconut oil and olive oil lip balm. Ingredients for making coconut oil and olive oil lip balm: 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 spoon carnauba wax. How to make: the first step is to melt coconut oil, olive oil, and carnauba wax in light flame. Now place it in a container and keep it away from the sun in a cool place. You can use it whenever you want. Use it daily for good results. Coconut oil and shea butter lip balm. Ingredients for making coconut oil and shea butter lip balm: 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 spoon carnauba wax, 1 spoon shea butter. How to make: first, start melting coconut oil, carnauba wax, and shea butter. When it melts and mixes with each other, put it in a small compartment and cool it. You can use it whenever you want. Use it daily for good results.